The Entity welcomes you to another game of Dead by Daylight. Hey everybody, it's the Divine Wannabe and I'm back. I'm running Nia today with a big beefy toolbox. And I've been having some pretty good games so far today, so I figured I would start recording and end that. Because it seems like I have my best games when I'm not recording, and as soon as I start recording, it just becomes a royal shit show. So, yeah. First I'm kind of tracking around, seeing if I can get a clue as to who our killer is. And I'll take care of this totem right now. Apparently our killer does not have thrill of the hunt, so that's good. And this will help in case I have no ed. Alright, our killer's over there somewhere, which means it's time to get working on this generator right here. Ooh, he went down pretty quick. Chainsaw, maybe? I didn't hear any chainsaw, though. It's not Freddy. Hey, Dwight, thanks for your leadership. I appreciate that. Okay, person immediately goes in for the save and gets wrecked. Dude, you got like a minute while the person's on the hook before they go to struggle, so it's best to allow the killer time to, you know, clear out. Alright, well. Yeah, Dwight, you go for that one, I'll go for this one. Okay, you go for that one, I'll go for... Up there, okay. Mr. Trapper. Looking all over for me. But did not see me. That's good. Where's he at? He's still in the area. He's patrolling. And... okay, Denny Do. Okay, Denny Do. Good job. Run! Nope! Actually, that worked out better than I expected it to. Oh, that didn't work out well. See if I can get DS. Nope, not this time. I see you putting that there. Okay, so we got everyone working on generators and nobody coming to save me. Perfect. I'm guessing maybe you two are surviving with friends then, because you were always Johnny on the spot to save her. coming straight through. Here comes the trapper. Not smart. Oh, so much for my beefy toolbox. Thank you, Air Fuhrer Alex. Let's go take care of that, that trap. Alright, I'm being all sneaky. There's a lot of generators over in this area. I gotta haul ass now. Oh, somebody got you. Okay. I figured they were both doing their thing over there. Alright. Here, come over here. And you got caught already, didn't you? Yep. Alright. And Air Fuhrer Alex got trapped. Wonderful. Hopefully this is his first hook. It is not. Sounds like he is just camping away, isn't he? What the? Hold still. This is not going well. I'm guessing you must have barbecue and chili. Because he always seems to know where we're all at. Well, when he hooks somebody, which seems to be happening quite a bit. Beefy Toolbox to the rescue! Denny, when did you get on the hook again already? Alright. Keep him over there. And I will do this final generator. Alright, so I know that there is a over there and straight across. I'm gonna try for the straight across. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, that was a close one. Victory is ours. Thank you, Beefy Toolbox. See, when I say Beefy Toolbox, ooh, lots of points. What was that for? Fresh bog laurel. Gotcha. See, when I say Beefy Toolbox, I've got the toolbox plus the grip wrench and the wire spool. So let's see, what did this guy... He wasn't really running much. He's a baby killer. Ooh, hardcore flashlight. And also a Beefy Toolbox. We had 2 Beefy Toolboxes going. And Daddy Myers was even beefier than mine. So, that was a pretty good game. Let's take our Beefy Toolbox into another game, shall we? Alright, I realized I forgot to hit record, so we just had a person drop and disconnect right away. But yeah, I'm back in with Beefy Toolbox. And now we've got to get 5 generators with 3 people. Because Kitten Caboodle is a disconnector. Let it hereby be known throughout the land. So yeah, hopefully this killer's not very good. Well, he passed me by pretty much, so that's a good sign. You know, I'm just gonna hide back here a little bit. Let him get farther away. Creep up. There's a couple windows here, that's good. Oh, and here is a totem. Go ahead and knock down this totem. Run, Fused Phoenix. Keep them occupied so we can continue to hit these generators. Coco the Catholic, I hope you're working on a generator right now. So that's our best chance against this guy with us having a smaller team, is knocking out these generators ASAP. Of course, Phoenix is kiting him right over towards me. Okay, yeah, good. Go the other direction now. Bringing him over towards me. Wonderful. Oh, hey. No, you're not. Alright, Good, good. Now let's get back working on this with my Beefy Toolbox. Beefy! Alright, you know what? I'm going to head across the cornfield. Wow. Coco healed himself kind of on the run. That's pretty fantastic. What is in this toolbox? Go ahead and take it. I've got something already. Go ahead, take it. Excuse me while I run like hell. Alright, he's up there checking out the house. He's up there. Is one of our people up there with him? No. I don't know, maybe. Tell you what, if you're gonna... Actually, if he's focused on that, I'm gonna go up and do the house. Because he's focused on you. What are you doing, dude? Okay, well, at this point now I have no idea where our killer is. So I'm gonna head for... Oh, there he is. Yeah, you see me. I see you see me. Where are you at? Where are you at? I think you're probably in the house. I definitely do not like not knowing where the killer's at. There he is. Alright, he is still searching. Alright, I hope somebody else is working on generators. I will come over here and work on this one. Beefy Toolbox. So you're over there. We really should get that one in the house though. And that's what I'm gonna go try for. Oh, you got caught. That's not good. I'm sure he is going to come right for back over here. Oh no, he's just chainsawing him. Thought I just... Yep, he's headed back this way. He's over there, so I'm gonna keep working on this one. Coco, is this gonna be your last hook, though? I think it might. No, it's only your second hook. Hang in there, Coco, the Catholic dough. Oh, no, it was your... Or did you just let go? You know what? I gotta speed this up. Beefy Toolbox to the rescue. He's coming. Where's he at? And I didn't completely exhaust the Beefy Toolbox either. That's good. He's over there, so I'm going to run over here. Other person, I hope you're working on... Oh, hey, there's a totem. I hope you're working on a generator because I'm scared. I got a gate right over here, too. That'd be nice if you just popped a generator right now. I really want to get that totem, but that's too much of a risk for 600 points. Oh man, looks like that's a gate over there as well. The two gates are really close to each other. That's not good at all. Alright, you're over there and you just went down. That's not a good thing at all. That's your last hook, Phoenix? I don't remember. It's your first hook. Alright, man. Hang in there. I'm coming for you. Alright. Can't tell if you're patrolling generators or you're just patrolling the area around your victim. Hang in there, man. Run! Oh, how'd you know where I was? Not cool. Did you see me, or I don't know. And I missed my decisive strike, of course. Alright, keep working on that generator, dude. He's gonna keep patrolling this area. That should be plenty of time for you to knock out that generator. Go, Phoenix, go. Go, go, go. Go, Phoenix, go. Go, go, go. Yes, nice job. Now the problem is going to be... Yep, maybe I'll get the 4%. Nope. I'm done for. I'm just gonna let it go so maybe you can escape through the hatch. Good luck, man. Well, we were kind of screwed when that person started by disconnecting. Thanks, Kitten Caboodle. I think I still pipped, though. No, but I safetied at least, okay. Let's watch and see if he's... No, he did not get away. Bummer. Is he gonna give the hatch? He might give you the hatch. He's telling you to struggle. He's gonna let you get away, I think. Keep wiggling. The hatch is right there, dude. Go for the hatch. He's giving you the hatch. Don't run away. Man, the hatch and the doors so close to each other. Is he going for chase points, maybe? Dude. He's just gonna give it to you, so... Otherwise, you're doomed anyway. You're never gonna be able to escape him. I think he's just trying to maximize hatch points. Well, this is gonna get boring, but I'm genuinely curious to see what happens here. Okay, you can do that. That's a way to do it too. Alright, go for the hatch, go for the hatch, go for the hatch. Was that dead hard? Yeah, you got away. Good job. GG. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna... Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please smash, kill, destroy that like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Take care.